There was soil there, and then we had to put a seed in there, and then dig the soil out from there, and then put it in there. And we had to wait a couple of days, and then it will grow. I got a cucumber, a pickle, and a bell pepper, and I gave it to my mom.
We plant fruits and vegetables, and then when they get done, we eat them. I like it, and when we was planting the stuff, I learned some things about the garden.
I've kind of just watched it and seen how it's grown. So we made this garden. I was pretty excited for it. It looked pretty small at first, but now there's like a bunch of fruits and vegetables and all that, which was pretty cool.